Welcome to Decoding for Kids. The idea of this channel is to introduce coding to kids at early stage. In this video, we are going to see a new game which is create a 3D T-Rex game. By playing this game, kids will get an understanding of how coding blocks work. Now let's play the game step 1 to 5 in this video. At first, open a Chrome browser and type hover of code. In this page, click the first link. Here, change the languages to whatever you want. Now I'm changing it to English. Here in For Students, click Explore Activities. In this, we are going to play the second game, which is create a 3D T-Rex game. T-Rex is nothing but a dino. Yeah, give start to start the game. Welcome. This video is for your guidance to step 1. If you want, you can watch this video or just skip the video. To, to start step 1, click Start Coding. Yeah, this is step 1. Step 1 is nothing but you're going to make your dino move forward to collect the coin. For that, here these are the two code blocks. The first code block is move dino forward and I'm placing it over here. And this is nothing but when your dino is moving forward, a background music will be played. If you want, you can choose whatever theme you want. And now if I give run, you can see the dino moving forward with the background music. Yeah, that's all. The step 1 is completed. Here, if you see, this is the actual coding for step 1. As this game is designed for kids, the coding is given in a very simple manner using code blocks so that they can understand it easily. But the actual coding written is using JavaScript. If you want, you can have a look at it or you can go to the next step. Yeah, this is step 2. Give start coding. Yeah, in step 2, the instructions given here is repeat blocks are used to perform a set of activity again and again. Yeah, in this you're going to use the forever block and I'm going to place it over here and I'm going to move the second block which is move dino forward inside the forever block. Now if you see, if I click the run button, you can see the dino moving forward continuously with the background music. Yeah, that's it. The step 2 is completed. Click continue to step 3 and give start coding. This is step 3. The instructions given here is make the dino jump up when you press the space key on your keyboard. For this step, I'm going to place the dino jump block inside the when space key pressed block. And when the dino is jumping, a background music can be played and here are the musics and you can give whatever you want. I'm giving a jump sound. So if I click the run button, you can see the dino moving and jumping when I press the space key. Yeah, that's it. The step 3 is completed. To go to the next step, click continue and give start coding. This is step 4 and the instructions given here is create a list of obstacles that you want to add in dino's path. Here you're going to create obstacles for the dino and the obstacles is nothing but the cactus. So I'm placing the first cactus here and the second cactus over here. These are the two obstacles and this block is nothing but when your game is running, the dino will move through the obstacles in every 7 meters. Now if I click run, you can see the dino passing through completed. To go to the next step, click continue and give start coding. This is step 5. Step 5 is nothing but collisions. In the previous step, you will be creating obstacles, but you can see the dino passing through the obstacles. Now, here you're going to see the dino colliding with the obstacle. When the dino collides with the obstacles, the game will be over. This is step 5. So I'm going to place the game over block over here under when dino collides with the obstacle. And this is the music that is going to be played when the game over. And here when the dino collides with the coin, you can place this music over here. So if I click the run button, you can see if the dino collides with the obstacle, you can see the game will be over. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, step 5 is completed. Okay guys, we will see steps 6 to 10 in the upcoming video. Thanks for watching.